Oh, anyway, I'm here to show you how to apply nail dashes. See, these are the ones that I have on right now. These are holographic. And you can do this at home. You can do it in just a few minutes. It doesn't take long at all. So, um, when you put on your nail dashes, you want to start with the pinkies first and then go work up, which is what I have done, and I have saved my thumbs to show you how to do it. Um, when you receive the nail dashes, they will come in a box, and you will receive a nail glue, an emery board, and an orange stick with every set. So you have everything you need to put them on. And what you want to do first is, if you have any nail polish on, you want to take that off, of course. If you've had nail dashes on and you have glue on your fingernails, you want to take that off. And sometimes you might need to use your emery board for that. It depends on how much glue there is. Then you wash your hands and you use your orange stick to push your cuticles back. Let's see if I can get it up here where everybody can see it. There we go. You push your cuticles back like that. And then um, I like to buff my nails before I put them on. Now, this doesn't rough them up. You don't want to rough them up or anything like that. It just makes them nice and smooth. Takes off anything else that might be on your nails. So you just, this one's going to be a little harder. But just use this like so. And that will take off. If there's just a little bit of glue on there, it'll take it right off. So then I use an alcohol prep pad, and you want to use this on your nails so that your nails are nice and clean. If you have lotion or anything like that on your nails, the glue isn't going to work well and your nails won't stick. And so then you just go like that, wipe them off. Okay. Let that dry. It only takes seconds. And then you're ready to put on your nail dashes. Now these nail dashes are really cool because they look the same day 10 as they do day 1. And they're very sturdy, but they're not too thick. And as I said, they are very easily put on. Now I prefer brush on glue. And so because I want to be able to control how much glue I put on, because it depends on how much glue you have on your nails as to how long they're going to stay. Now, the longest I have ever kept these nails on is 24 days. Um, I don't want my nails staying that long normally because I like to change them up more often than that. And they only take minutes to put on. I mean, this is so much easier than going to a salon. When you go to a salon, you're exposing yourself to all those chemicals and stuff, and you sit there for hours, it seems like, and you let somebody else do your nails, and you might like them, maybe you don't, and it costs money. These nails, for a set of nails, is like $13 to $16, anywhere in between. And you get 24 nails in a box. So you've only got 10 nails here. So you know that having 24 nails in there, you're going to be able to fit each and every finger, no matter what the size of your fingernails are. So this is really nice. They also come in different lengths. We have petites for people with little teeny weeny nails, and some people use the little ones for their kids. Um, then we have shorts. I usually wear shorts because I type a lot, and the longer ones interfere with that. Then we have the medium ones, and the long ones, and the real long ones. And so there's always something to choose from. We also have pedicures. And it's really cool to have your toenails be the same color as your nails. And they go on just as easily. So, in the same way, of course. Now, when you remove the nails, I'm going to cover this now because I want to show you something. When you remove the nails, you have two choices. You can either use the extra strength nail polish remover that you can buy anywhere, Walmart, and melt them off. If you do that, you can't reuse them, of course, because you've just melted them. So if you want to keep them to reuse, excuse me, I put them in little envelopes like this. And then I can reuse them if I want to. I can mix and match, do whatever I want with them. And I also got this because you want to take off the glue that is on the back of your nail dash because you've already used it. And I got this because it's curved. So it really comes in handy. And then you just take your nail dash like this, and you can just, there we go like this. And it takes off the glue from the inside of your nail dash. So then you can wear them again. And I wait for mine to fall off, to be honest about it. You know, you put your hands in hot water, they don't pop off the minute you put your hands in hot water. It takes several times to do that, but eventually they will come off. And when they start to loosen up, they usually start here at the bottom and loosen up here. And when that starts happening, I take cuticle liquid and put it up underneath there because that helps melt the glue. Now this will still take a few days to do that, but if you just keep doing that, and then I take the orange stick and I run that up underneath a little bit, just loosening it. Don't just tear them off. If you do, you're going to ruin your nail beds. So don't do that. Now when you are ready to put on your dashes, as I said, I like to use this kind of glue. And you just apply the glue to your nail, like so. Okay? Then you take the nail dash that you're putting on and you apply the glue on the inside. Okay? Now, when I do it this way, okay, now let's see. I want to get this where you can really see it well. I set it on there like that. And you want to make sure you have it straight. You hold it on there. You press a little bit. I usually do it this way. Make sure it's on there straight. Press it down. And there it is. That's all it takes to put on your nail dashes. Now, in the very beginning, when you're getting ready to put them all on, you're going to have to sort through the 24 dashes that you have and figure out which ones fit your fingers and set them up on your table. And then you just whip them right on. I can put these on in 10 minutes. And I have actually put them on in the car before. So I'll say that again. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this hand. You just apply the glue to your nail. And then you apply the glue to the back of your nail dash, like that. Okay. And then I do this one the same way as the last one, like so. And I hold it on. But sometimes, and I'm known to have problems with this, I get glue on the nail. And if that happens, don't stress over it. It will make the nail look a little bit dull. Now, this one I got glue on. This one was, my left hand's always hard. I mean, my right hand's always harder to do than my left because I'm right-handed and trying to do it left-handed. So if you do get the glue on, I use clear nail polish or top coat, base coat, any of those things will work. And you just apply a thin coat of this right on top. And that makes it shine just like the other ones that you didn't get glue on. So there's little tips and tricks. And that's all there is to have a beautiful manicure. And you did it yourself in just a little bit. And you didn't spend tons of money on it. And these will last as long as any salon nails that you get. And as I said, the longest I've kept them on was 24 days. Probably because my nails grow a little slower. At my age, my nails have got ridges and different things like that. And that's why people like me like to wear this type of nail over their own, because it covers up all the imperfections. My nails don't even grow straight anymore. I don't know what's up with that. But that is how you put on nail dashes and how you remove them. And when you stop and think that maybe you pay $16 for a set of these, that's the most they ever are, is $16. And you use them over again and again and again, because as I said, these will look the same when I take them off as they did today when I put them on. So I do have a website that I'm going to share with you so that you can go take a look at these nail dashes if you would like to. So look in the comments below for my information. Thank you.